Welcome to Geeta's world. Enjoy a train ride with me. Welcome on the Bernina Express. Bernina Express. It's a panoramic train crossing over Alps, starting from the beautiful town Chur in Switzerland to a border town Tirano in Italy. Look at the clear, wide, and high glass windows through which you can have stunning views. It is Europe's one of the highest and steepest railway line with natural wonders and engineering marvel. The Bernina railway line is a single track meter gauge line. It reaches a height of 2253 meters above sea level. The train passes through 55 tunnels and 196 bridges on its way. These videos were taken from the back window of the last compartment, purposefully reserving seats on the right side at the back of the last bogie. We could see the pronounced features of the landscape like hills and mountains and valley and waterfalls, and also the engine and the other bogies in front worming up and down over the rails. The Russian railway in the Albula Bernina landscape is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a joint Swiss-Italian heritage area. Here is an architectural masterpiece. Coming out of a tunnel, the train passes over a 65-meter tall, 136-meter long, 6-arched viaduct. Landwasser Viaduct, made in 1901 or 1902, that is more than 120 years old. More details will be given in my next video. Needless to say that we passed through villages, towns, churches, clock towers, ornate buildings, verdant grasslands, knolls and forests, grazing cows and sheep, streams, rivers and bridges, forests and waterfalls, hills, mountains and snow-clad peaks, and valleys and gorges. In one sentence, it is the beautiful Switzerland. Running parallel to a road and a stream was wonderful. The train took us along the snow-clad mountains. So all these videos were taken sitting right inside the train. We could see the engine and most of the bogies and the twists and turns the train took. We saw many structures preventing snow from coming down. Enjoy the ride through the snow. Look at the views through the windows. We reached the highest point in the route, 2253 meters, while going through the Bernina Pass. The train started descending and we reached Alp Grum. We passed through quite a few beautiful stations like this. Regret having not hopped in and out of the train at different stations on the way. Now comes a spectacular part of the route. The train passes through a spiral viaduct, one of the architectural highlights of the railway. Built in 1908, the spiral viaduct is 110 meters long with a radius of 70 meters and a slope of 7%. Here is the entry to the man-made engineering marvel. Whistling joyfully, the train headed to Tirano after stopping at the last station, Portiavo, in Switzerland. We met an Indian couple, Dr. Bernina and Shanti from UK. Engaging in conversation and mutually sharing savories made the trip really enjoyable. The train passed across a road and headed towards Tirano. After reaching the destination Tirano, we roamed a little around the Tirano station, took some photos, had lunch, and headed back to the return Bernina Express. With a backdrop of azure sky, glimmering clouds, and green mountain slope, the train wriggled back over the Brusio viaduct. Let me tell you something about Switzerland's panorama trains. Through the large glass windows, the passengers enjoy stunning scenic splendors and have superior travel comfort. If you go to Switzerland, definitely you should try one of them. We headed back to Kur. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.